Alright, today I brought out 3 of my 22 pistols. I just want to see how they shoot in relation to each other. And all of these have open sights. So the other one is a Ruger. But anyway, that's what I've got. Just 322s. I'm going to shoot it. I think it's going to be 20 yards. I'll have to measure it. And that will be right there at that target. I know that this one, this Mark III here, that one will shoot dead on. And all of these have open sights. So the other one is a Ruger. Three-dot sight. Little, I think this is the, SR22 right there. That'll show up. I have the adapter to put the suppressor on that. Same with this Taurus. I can put the suppressor on it as well. I likely will not. One thing about this Taurus, I can't seem to get these sights to work for me. So I bought this plate so I can put a red dot on there. The plate is a little bit wider than the slide, but I don't think that'll matter. It'll poke out just a hair on each side right here. But I think I can really tune that thing in if I put a red dot on it. But anyway, that's what I've got. Just 322s. I'm going to shoot it. I think it's going to be 20 yards. I'll have to measure it. And that will be right there at that target. As you can see, we got some wind today, so I'll just have to deal with it. But anyway, I'll measure off 20 yards and we'll start shooting these. Just a comparison to see how they shoot in relation to each other. This is my little Ruger SR22. Looks like everything's hitting to the left, so I moved the rear sight to the right, and I'll see if I can't hit it again. I have 5 more rounds left. Alright, that looks a lot better. Probably need to go back just a hair, but overall it looks good. Played another run. Alright, finally, I think I'm doing alright with the SR22 somewhat sighted in now. And we'll call that good for now. This Ruger Mark III is a 2010 production one. Well, it is a Target model. See if that'll show up. Alright, I'm about to shoot the Ruger Mark III at that far right upper target. Again, 20 yards. Alright, that was 10 rounds and I see where they hit. So that was the Federal Auto Match. So those rounds shoot low. Hey. Alright, so my hold, unfortunately, is hard to explain, but I'm completely covering up that black target, and the little bit of red up there at the top on that bar, that's where I'm trying to hold. It's kind of hard to see, but that's you can still see that I can get a group on that little target. Let's move up to the steel plate. I've got one more mag. Oops. One more mag. There. I'm going to shoot the last mag at the steel plate. And being that these are the Federal Auto Match, I'm going to have to aim high because in this gun they shoot relatively low. Alright. I'm getting some feeding issues. This gun does not like the Federal auto match. One here is my Taurus TX22. This will hold 15 rounds, and I've got 2 mags, but I've only put 10 in it because the others will only hold 10 each in the mags. Alright, I got some Winchester Super X in there. Alright, Winchester Super X, that center target, and with the Taurus TX22 20 yards. Well, it looks like I hit it a couple of times. I see 5 at least in there. Let me try it one more time. I've got a full mag, 15 rounds, maybe 16, I can't remember. And I'm going to shoot at that same middle target. Those last few were at the plate, and that wasn't in screen. So, all right, I can see where it's hitting. It's actually just a little low left, and it's not bad. Not as bad as I thought, anyway. So it's just a little left. I need to move the rear sight to the right just a little bit, and it'll probably be pretty good. As you can see, we got some wind today, so I'll just have to deal with it. It's just a comparison to see how they shoot in relation to each other.